Articles A and B.
Welcome to English TLM. Today we are going to know about the articles. Let us see what is meant by article. The articles are the words A and the. They are used to define whether specific or not specific. There are three types of articles are there: A, and the. Let us see when we use A. A is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. For example, a fruit, a pen, a dog, a book, a table, a lorry. Like this, we have given some examples here. Let us coming to the an. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific, or if the noun starts with the all sound A-E-I-O-U. For example, an apple, an egg, an owl, an elephant, an eye, an elbow, an ant, an ape, an axe, an ice, like this. Let us coming to the another article, the. The is used in front of all nouns to describe someone or something specific or unique. So, for example, the sky, the world, the earth, the hotel, the air, the river, the light, the queen, the prince, the garden, the forest, the lake, the sun and the moon. So, these are the articles that we are looking towards, and we have given some examples. Thank you all for watching my English TLM channel. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you all.